Hey creative, do you know that it does get better? It really does. I'm not talking about the stuff in the world that you can't really control, the weirdness of economics and politics and all that mess. I mean you, your life, your creativity, your confidence as you move forward, your ability to take what's in your head and actually put it in some physical form on the page or in the clay or whatever your medium is. It does get better. I know it doesn't seem like it does. I know right now it seems impossible that you should ever make anything that pleases you, but it is possible, and it will happen in time if you don't give up. Your art is the same as any other serious talent. Whatever ability you have is not as important as how much work you put into it. This means the study that you do. This means the practice that you do. This means your choice to continue making things even if the thing that you just made really didn't come out right. Remember, no one is expecting you to pull a Mozart and plop an entire symphony from your head onto the page flawlessly at first try. You can make stuff and you don't even have to show anybody. You can just keep going. You can make it, in fact, as many times as you want. There's no penalty. You can keep working on your talent and honing your skill and learning things that will enable you to put your image on the page or in the cloth or whatever, as long as you need. It does get better. Sometimes you'll even be happy with what you made. You can do this, creative. Don't give up. Don't stop. Keep creating. Keep taking in good and beautiful things that other people have made. And don't lose hope. Now sit down with me and let's make something new.